Hello and welcome back to Miss Craft's Lots Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am here today to show you how to make this beautiful card using SaleABration, the SaleABration stamp sets. Let me grab it here, of Heartfelt Blooms. Today we're going to be using this particular, the flower, and then the thinking of you sentiment. And it's super quick, super fast, super easy. This is the way I like my cards. So for materials, today we're going to be using the Fresh Fig card base. This is 8.5 by 5.5, and it is scored and folded at 4 1/4. My first mat here is going to be Whisper White, and it is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then scraps of both Whisper White and the Fresh Fig to use the circle framelets, I'm sorry, not circle framelets, the oval framelets to cut out. As you can tell, I've already cut these out, but the scalloped edge and the regular oval. We're also going to be using a piece of the 1/2 inch Fresh Fig ribbon. That's also going to be down in the materials list below, and the Fresh Fig Stampin' pad. And I think I've covered it all, so I am going to go ahead and get started here really quick. This one's a fast one. So I'm going to open up my Fresh Fig here. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and stamp the sentiment and also ink up my finger. Messy stamper that I am. If you watch quite a few videos of mine, you'll see I'm a messy stamper. I will totally wear that hat. And there is the sentiment stamp so that I can go ahead and use the oval die on that here in a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and ink up the flower. My Fresh Fig is really rather juicy. It's a newer stamp pad, and it is still pretty juicy. So I'm trying not to press it too hard, but yet still get a decent coverage over my stamp. So this one, I am going to go ahead and turn this way, so the mums, I want to say they are kind of pointed down for the corner. And then re-ink here. And then I want them to kind of go up towards the top for the bottom corner. And there's that. And I am going to go ahead and close my ink here so I don't get my fingers in it. And I'm going to hunt down I have my, let that dry here. I'm going to go ahead and make up these two particular dies. I'm going to go ahead and run this through my Big Shot, and I will be right back. Alright, and I am back. I have those two cut out here, and I am going to go ahead and adhere the Whisper White piece to the Fresh Fig. And then I am going to go ahead and get my ribbon where I want it here. And you can also use your the grid paper to help you out here. I think that here should be good enough. So about 1.25 inches. I'll be well, yeah. Go with 1.25 inches today. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down, and then 1.25 inches is 5 spaces. So I'm gonna go ahead and line that up. Snail, and fold my ribbon over. Makes it so much simpler. And there we go. Ta-da! And I'm going to go ahead and grab, well, I'm going to adhere this down real fast. Same reason as I used with the pandas, so that way I don't, because I'm going to be popping the sentiment up on dimensionals, I don't want to have that extra weight or the extra puffiness, as I described it earlier in another video. I don't want that puffiness on there while I'm trying to adhere down my layers here. So there's that. And go ahead and locate my dimensionals that have since tried walking away. So I will be right back. Well, after much looking, I find that my dimensionals underneath my stamp pad. Go figure. So I'm going to go ahead and snip the sides here because I want to use these little sides to go over the top part. I think kind of adheres the oval down a little bit better, and then it's going to be help hold the ribbon down just a tad bit more as well. And this one's wanting to come off, and I'm going to put him down here at the end anyway, so I might as well just do that while he's willing to come. When he's coming willingly, we might as well just grab him and put him on there. And peel the backings off of these boogers. All my nice technical terms here, boogers. And I'm going to go ahead and just adhere this. Pop that down right there. And there we are, a finished card. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I am going to be coming back with plenty more of SaleABration videos. So, if you are interested in the SaleABration, like I said, it ends, or maybe I didn't say it, SaleABration ends March 31st, so if you're liking these products, the stamp set in particular on this particular card, if you're liking them, $50 order gets you the stamp set for free. So until next time,